Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, if you're heading to the UK for vacation, business, or just to see your family, and if you're in Canada, here's how you can easily apply for a UK visitor visa. So, all you have to do is head over to gov.uk and search for standard visitor visa. This is the visa most travelers need for short stays up to 6 months. Canada is not on the visa exempt list, so yes, you'll need a visa. Click apply now to start your application through the official UK Visas and Immigration Service. You're going to need to sign in or create a UKVI account. This lets you save, track, and manage your visa application. Just fill out the online form, including your personal info, travel dates, reason for visit, and where you'll stay. Just make sure that you're honest because any inconsistencies could delay or reject your application. The standard visitor visa costs around €127 up to 6 months. You can pay it online using a debit or credit card. And after payment, you'll be redirected to VFS Global to book your biometrics appointment, available in cities like Toronto, Vancouver, or Ottawa. Just upload your documents online or bring them in person. You're going to need your passport, financial proof, itinerary, and possibly an invitation letter. Also, make sure that you attend your appointment with your passport. You're going to take your fingerprints and a photo. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!